Getting ready to take a camping trip. I think I've just about got everything packed up except for the cooler and the gas cans for the generator. Oh, and I might want to take an extension cord, just in case. Did you ever get the feeling that you just packed too much stuff, but, also being afraid that you might have not packed something that you're going to need? And that's about where I'm at right now. But I'm very excited to be taking off for my very first camping trip all by myself. Well, I won't be by myself. I'll be with my dog girls. They're great company. In fact, sometimes they're better company. All right, later. And we made it. We made it. We're in our parking spot. It's a pretty lake. We're in Shawnee National Forest. And so I gotta go put the leashes on the dogs and go check in. Later. Alright. I got my little baby tent set up. I brought a folding table. And I bought a shower curtain at the Dollar Tree for $1. And I'm using it as a tablecloth. And then I also got these clips like this at the Dollar Tree. And that's where I've got the shower curtain clipped to the table. So instead of ice cubes, I've got frozen water in a jug here like this. I've got I got 5 of them. And everything seems to be pretty cold in there. Got my 5-gallon water over there. Dog food, dog water. My solar lantern is getting some sun. Got my foldable wash basin over there. Yeah, Queenie doesn't quite know what to do. She's never been camping and she looks like she's ready to go home. Got my little generator up, but I don't think I'm gonna try to get it going until tomorrow. Most of my food is in this here. I brought way too much stuff, and my first mistake was I should have made a list and checked it twice, because I would pack up stuff, put it in the van, and then think of stuff that, oh boy, I better take that, I might need it. There's no bathroom here. So I have a 5-gallon jug. It's double lined with trash bags. That is a swimming noodle that I cut to fit around the rim. And that's what I'm going to have to use as a bathroom. So I'm thinking about trying to set up some kind of a privacy situation with the hula hoop and an old shower curtain that I have. Then I'm going to hang it from a low tree branch. And we'll see how that works. Right now, I've got this side of the park to myself. It's kind of pretty here. We're going to go walk around the lake. And I have to relieve my bladder. So I'm going to go out in the woods. Yeah, I've just seen my first snake. Maybe that's why nobody else has camped over here by the lake. Yikes. I don't like snakes. Go away, go away. You didn't see the snake, did you? You didn't see the snake? darn, I was walking up to this tree and there was just, like, must have been 30 or 50 butterflies. And they flew off. Butterflies are everywhere. Oh. The woods are a little thick. Kind of too thick to walk through. So I have to walk out in the woods and pee. Yikes. What do you think about that, Silo? You don't care. You pee anywhere you want to.